Hello, in this video, we will introduce BibexPy, a tool designed for academic researchers. What is BibexPy? BibexPy is an open-source Python-based software that simplifies academic literature analysis by integrating bibliometric data from sources like Scopus and Web of Science. It offers features such as multiple database merging, deduplication, and API metadata enrichment. How to install BibexPy? To start using BibexPy, follow these steps. Prepare the Python environment. Ensure that Python 3.9 or later is installed on your computer. If Python is not installed, download and install the latest version from the official Python website. Install BibexPy. Open your terminal or command prompt. Clone the BibexPy repository. Navigate to the BibexPy directory. Install the required dependencies, getting started with BibexPy. After installation, you can start using BibexPy. Create a new project folder within the workspace directory. Inside your project folder, create a data directory and place your Web of Science, tator.txt, and scopus.csv data files there. Run the main application. BibexPy will process the data files, merge them, perform DOI-based deduplication, and enrich metadata using available APIs. The processed data will be saved in the workspace directory, ready for further analysis. Now that we have the exported data, we can use it in VOSviewer for bibliometric coupling analysis. Launch VOSviewer on your computer. Click on Create a Map to start a new project. Select Create a Map based on bibliographic data and click Next. Click Read Data from Bibliographic Database Files and select the file you exported from BibexPy. Click Next to proceed. Choose the type of analysis and finish the analysis. As you can see, we have conducted an analysis using data from two databases in VOSviewer. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to explore more features of BibexPy and VOSviewer to enhance your bibliometric analysis. Happy researching. Blast off.